here at 2716 Canary Drive in the city of Costa Mesa, California. About to begin our initial sewer inspection. Here's a little image of the front yard. We're going to be utilizing these two directional sewer cleanouts to get out towards the city and then back in towards the house. So hopefully we'll be able to make it out towards the city connection point. See how the saddle's looking and the rest of the line. These cleanouts were installed about 10 years ago. Very good connection to the clay. Let's get a zero out on our footage count. Do have some roots about 5 feet in. Drop down by the sidewalk. Another bit of roots here. Pretty small. There's quite a bit of them though. Got quite a bit of small sections of roots that are growing inside of the line. Our city saddle. There we go. So we're going to be in the middle of the street somewhere, wherever the manhole is going to be at. But from our clean out, we are approximately 46.5 feet out to our connection to the city. So there is some sections that do have some hairline roots or very small sections of roots that are through here. We'd probably recommend, if we do want to get them taken care of, we'd be looking at having hydrojetting done to clear out these sections, maybe apply some root poison to prolong the amount of time before they do grow back. The sections that do have roots aren't terrible. There aren't any major offsets, so we can tell that the roots aren't very big outside of the pipe. Otherwise the pipe would be shifting and it wouldn't be mated properly. But as far as doing anything like trenchless sewer repair or anything like that, we don't really think that it's a necessary option to pursue at this point in time. We'll go ahead and begin our pull back. See what I mean? They're very, very thin roots. going to be a 4x6 transition. So right now we're inside a 4-inch clay pipe. Right there, we just dropped down into 6-inch clay. Alrighty, so overall we're not in terrible shape going out towards the city, so that's good news. Now we'll go ahead and take a look, see how we're doing going back in towards the house. Okay, so right off the bat, this one is looking a little bit worse. The clay going upstream. Do have another root ball coming in right after our ABS to clay connection. Here's our cast to clay connection. Clay, or the cast iron, is looking pretty beat up. You can see there's a lot of buildup on the walls of the pipe. Not a smooth surface to travel on anymore. You can actually see it starting to get eaten away on the bottom, that V shape where the water's at. We're riding inside of it. That's normally an indicator that the pipe has buildup and is also getting eaten away. You can also see on the left side of the screen there's some buildup, but also looks like a hole. That's going to be a connection point for another fixture. But on these fittings, you can see the buildup that's there. So if I pull back, see the diameter of the pipe much bigger, and then once we get to that hole, you can see it start to protrude into the rest of the pipe. So that's a lot of buildup that can be causing some restrictions at some point, or anytime waste or anything goes down the sewer, it can get caught on those sections as well. Have another connection there. Alright, and this is most likely a toilet. But that's the end of this section of sewer that we can access. So as mentioned before, it's just buildup on the cast iron. That's the thing that we're mainly worried about. If we wanted to rehabilitate the cast iron, we would have this descaled and possibly run coating on it so that there's a new slope. It's nice and smooth so that nothing gets caught on it. But we'll definitely give those options over to the homeowner when we provide them with our sewer inspection report. And again, this is approximately 40 feet out to this section.